Hello, SMC CS52 students. This is Dr. Singhal. Some of you were a little confused by this Lab 1 description and you wanted to know how exactly program works. So I actually wrote a program myself and I'm going to demo how the program works so that you can understand all the requirements. There is some flexibility, of course. I will mention what that flexibility is. So basically, this is a program that uses a nested loop. Outer loop is UF control loop or end of file control loop, and inner loop is a sentinel control loop. I've given example of um, string input, and then I've given example of UF loop right here. So that gives you some idea how UF loop actually works. Sentinel loop is described in Savage book. I've given a reference to that. If not here, it's on the website where assignment 1 is described. So with that all that background, I'm just going to demo how this program you're going to submit is supposed to work. And I'm going to get a little bit of data here in case I want to copy and paste it. So I need access to stuff like this one. So let's go to our program. So when I press enter key, my program is going to run. So this is the first output from the program. It says this program will process test score to provide individuals with letter grade according to following scale. That's the scale right here. If average is greater than 90 or 90 is less than A. If average is less than or equal to 90 but greater than 80, B, and so on. And now it says press UF character to end data entry. If I press UF character right now, no data will be processed, but don't want to do that. UF character, end of file character for screen, for keyboard input. In Windows is Control Z, in Mac it's Control D. Okay, so let's take data of the first student who took some tests. First name is entered, last name is entered, and notice the program says your name is this. Please enter all your scores separate by space and score entry by entering negative number. So I'm just going to go here and copy this data and enter here, or you can just type it. And when I press enter key to enter that data, the program says your scores are these, your average is this, and your letter grade is B. If you sum up these three, divide by 3, it's going to come up to 84.3. And 84.3 according to this scale should be a B, which it is. And let's say we have someone, Miss Genius, and her scores are, let's say, 99, 91, 89, again 99, 100, and let's say we are ending the score with -5, and it is showing all the scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, average this, and letter grade is A. Okay, and now let's say somebody took no test. Let's say Philo, first name is Philo, last name is Sophie, took no test. So I'm only gonna enter a negative number here, -A7 for example, could be any negative number, and it says your scores are, of course there are no scores there, and it says you didn't take any test. And let's say now there may be more data, but I have come to end I want to end the data entry. So I'm on Mac right now. I'll press Control D to get out of this, and instead of first name I just do Control D, and notice the program is entered and I got this initial uh, command to get it back. Okay, so that's how this program is supposed to work. And this is Dr. Singhal. Hopefully requirements at least clear now, and there is reference to how to do sentinel loop in Savage book. I gave that page number in the description for the assignment lab 1. And this portion here describe how strings work, and this portion describes how UF loop works. Actually, Savage book has the reference with sentinel loop, so you got to put these pieces of puzzle together and come up with this assignment 1, which works the way I just showed. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.